Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In last video, we have seen how to use super keyword as a method in Java programming language. In this video, we will see how to use super keyword as an object. Now see, in this example, we have some classes. So this is class A and this is show method from this class A. And also we have one variable x and x is equal to 3. That 3 value we have allocated to x. Now this is another class B. Class A is extended in class B. Then this class also has show method. So actually we are overriding this show method. In this subclass we are overriding show method. Then this B class have one variable x. So both classes have the variable with the same name. Here x, here is also x. But here we have allocated 3 and here we have allocated 5. And we are printing some message on the screen. Here we are creating object of this subclass B and we are calling this show method. Now as it is inherited, this class is inherited in this class B. So this method and this variable, these are also inherited in this class. Now we'll run this program and we'll see the output. So our program got compiled. Now we'll run it. So here we got this output. In class B with x is equal to 5. Likewise, we got the output. So when we are calling this show method from object of class B, so this show method is getting run as it is overridden. This method is also get inherited here, but this show method is get overridden by this class, and we are getting this output. And here you can see x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. That means this variable. So x value we are getting from this, not from this. Actually, this x variable is also get inherited in this class. But now we want this x variable. We want to refer this x variable. So that also we can do by using this super keyword when we are using it as an object. So here you can see. So if I write like this super.x, so now in this case this x variable will be referred as a variable from the parent class A. So now this x variable is this x variable. We'll run this program and I will check output. So got compiled. Now we'll run this. So here you can see in class B with x is equal to 3 and here it was x is equal to 5. So here we got x is equal to 3 from this parent class. And how we got it? By using this super keyword. And here we are using this super keyword as an object, super.x. Likewise we are calling it. Now this was with variable. Now we'll see how to call the show method from parent class by using super keyword. So by default, when we run it, so this show method from the subclass is getting run, right? Now we want to run this show method. We want this output, but also we want output from the parent class also. So that thing also we can do. So here we can mention super keyword, and here we can call this. Likewise, you can mention. So now we'll run this program. Here you can see previously we got only this output. Now along with this show method is also getting run and we are getting this output in class A with x is equal to 3. So how it got run? We are calling this method from the show method by adding this statement super.show. So it will call show method of this parent class. Now see, when we use this super keyword in constructor as a method, so there is one restriction. So see, in this example, in last video we have seen, so when we are calling constructor by using the super keyword, that should be the first statement. If we put it as a second or third statement, then we are getting the error. But here, if we change it, suppose here I am putting as a second statement in this method as a second statement. Now we'll check it. So no compilation error and we are getting output also. So that means anywhere we can put it. Now see, so previously x is equal to 3. So that we got from this and x is equal to 5 from the subclass. Here we have changed the sequence. X is equal to 5 and then x is equal to 3 because we are calling parent class show method as a second statement. So that's why we are getting this output from the show method afterwards. So anywhere we can put. But when we are calling this constructor by using the super keyword, so this should be the first statement. That is the requirement. That should be the first statement. But for method calling by using super keyword, anywhere you can mention it. So suppose I want to mention here, so I can do that. No problem. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.